remember there was a big tree in the midst of a village. It was long ago in the days of my young age. We used to play around the tree when we were small. It was where grandparents told stories to us all. On top of the tree there were birds of all kind. Them let their sons bless ears of the blind. It was a landmark and the main meeting spot. It was the holy spot that the ancestors brought. One calm day I heard a big boom. I couldn't believe my eyes, it was a sign of doom. A big bulldozer felled the noble tree. The locals were watching, were cheering with glee. I was lost in the midst of the cheers and the dust. Tears filled my eyes as I watched in disgust. Oh, baby chicks fell out of the nest. They couldn't fly away though they tried their best. This mindless act affected the rain, bringing them drought with the hunger, with the pain. There were no more cures for the sick and the weak. The future became quite sad and bleak.
Forests have vanished, fading away like the evening sun. From earth be burning, sent away. Life is gone and done. Forests have vanished, fading away like the evening sun. From earth be burning, sent away. Life is gone and done. No, 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 no. We should never do it again. So I say no, 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 no. Pray for nature, say amen. Sote twasema pamoja tuzidi kuitunza miti daima. Kusema kutenda tutaiweka bidii kuitunza miti daima.
Warning to everybody living in the generation. Message to every state and every conscious nation. Death of the trees have become a vexation. We ain't moving forward, this now acceleration. It spits in the face of the source of creation. So mindless terminating our art's duration. Destroying the trees causing parable harm. It's like slashing your throat and cutting off your arm. So before I proceed, let me ask it. Why are you pushing us to this early casket? Calling our leaders to stop deforestation. Do what tries to end this abomination. We must shout really loud, stand strong and proud. Our last opportunity to achieve impunity. In all corners of the world and every congregation must put our efforts in one combination. Listen up, have no doubt. Hurricanes, fires, floods and drought. We must act without hesitation. There's no life on earth without conservation.
Forests have vanished, fading away like the evening sun. From earth be burning, sent away. Life is gone and done. Forests have vanished, fading away like the evening sun. From earth be burning, sent away. Life is gone and done. No, 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 no. We should never do it again. So I say no, 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 no. Pray for nature, say amen. Sote twasema pamoja tuzidi kuitunza miti daima. Kusema kutenda tutaiweka bidii kuitunza miti daima.
So it's time to wake up and care for the tree. It's time to make our world carbon free. Cause the trees are the reason we breathe clean air. And we can only breathe if the trees are there. So protect the trees and avoid the strife. When you save the trees, you are saving your life.